Hey,
Hola!
Servus!
this is our Easter special.
So it's Easter Sunday,
Yeah.
but apparently holidays here are for work.
Yes.
Everyone is super busy.
Super busy. Glad påsk.
Except Phoebe. Phoebe is not busy.
Okay. Perfecto. It's muy perfecto. We're gonna carry heavy things. Oh, I feel goofy. Oh, Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
It's okay.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah.
Doing great, guys.
Doing swell.
Then it's time to make that morning drive. Work all day till I'm totally beat. Get back home and fall right to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat.
Angie, tell us what is happening.
Okay, we're trying to get the septic tanks under the tiny houses so that everybody can move in.
Somewhere up the line I forgot what I was working for.
I'm gonna get a big drill. It's got all the power. Because that one sucks. It doesn't have enough power. That one bleeps. Doesn't have enough power. We need a bigger drill. And we need. What's wrong with that one? I know everything's wrong. What?
The
I know. But that one's not put up on its feet yet at all. Which is why we also should get some cinder blocks.
Yep.
So that when we do raise it, it'll be extra raised. And we should get the stuff to build stairs.
Yep.
Come on! There we go. Mother Hunter!
You don't have to build that one up.
Why are you filming me struggle? She's like, cause it's funny. The people want to laugh.
Yeah, and you make always fun of me, so.
I know, it's true, and now it's on camera that I'm ridiculous.
Plumbing.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Hi vlog. I left. I left my hard work of filming the others working to go to Anza-Borrego, which is here. Because what are we going to do? What are we going to?
Wildflowers.
Yeah. And I'm here with other internationals, or at least one. Where are you from?
Semi-international. Australia.
And then we have some
Californians. Yeah. Californians.
clearly not imports.
Tour guide Tess.
She's a local.
The local.
Yeah. And right now we are watching sculptures.
Work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore.
I don't know, high
Monte
school.
Vista.
Monte Vista High School. Watching some flag football. Yeah, it's they're good.
Okay, QB. Say hi, Frog. Hi, Frog. Hi. We're vlogging. We're vlogging. Oh.
Hey, I want to introduce you guys to the San Diego Rebellion, okay? They're a women's tackle football team here in San Diego, okay? They got some stuff for you guys.
Congratulations, great team, well fought, awesome work. Here you go. Woo, y'all ball out. I got one bottle for you.
Thank you.
Woo! Back row.
Yes.
You guys, good work.
Undefeated, baby. 7-0.
Okay. Here we go. Cheese. Nice. Great job. That was so much fun to watch. Yeah.
Family, Santa Claus has been here. Ho, ho, ho. All the way from Sweden.
What? No.
From WNFC headquarters.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay. So, Merry Christmas, Rhea, abuela.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Alox.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Melina. I wasn't kind, so I didn't get anything. Bad. That's okay.
Okay.
Open it, open it.
No, we're gonna have a sit down and first reaction and unboxing.
Okay. I'm ready now.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, just unbox it.
Just unbox it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
First impression. You can see we have the. Whoa!
3. First impression, it's colorful.
Very colorful. Let's see.
Can we get it out?
Okay, so this is yours. 70.
Aspenberg or
That looks like a 66.
Aspenberg. Do you want to open yours? Woo! You want me to film it? This is mine. Alexis. Book.
Yeah, same here.
Let's see.
Are you guys ready?
Okay, wait.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Beep.
Oh, sorry. No.
Okay.
Johanna.
Oh,
sorry.
In the camera, on
Okay,
3.
ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Woo!
And backside. 1, 2, 3.
Aspenberg.
Ooh.
Berg.
I love the palm trees. Like this detail. Come here. I love this detail of the palm trees.
Oh, that's cute.
Very cute. Got the WNFC logo.
Yeah.
The size. Don't look at the size on the kid. I know. Adidas, obviously.
America's finest city.
Where does it say that?
Here in the back. On the collar? How do I say it?
Yeah, the collar. Okay, let's try them on.
But it's for my dad.
Oh.
It's not for me. Because my dad is coming in 3 weeks. For our, what is it, the second home game? I guess
Probably.
so. Yeah. They're big.
I mean,
It's a.
like I'm gonna go play for a soccer team in
Yeah.
Dubai.
Dinosaurs.
Because it's so colorful. Right, don't eat. Right. Hello?
vlog.
Hi vlog.
What? What's happening? What's happening? Det där är inte kalsonger, ja. Det är långkalsonger. Hi vlog. Where did you get that from? Where did you...
It was in the corner.
Oh, damn, that's good. We can do it nimble.
2 dragons were in the room attacking us. Yeah, nice.
I know. You put me in charge, guys. I shouldn't be in charge of any of this. We'll do it one more time.
We love traffic. Traffic. Traffic.
Follow us.
Hi vlog. Hoy toca gimnasio solo because my roomies are sick. This week is the game versus Vegas. Les quiero presumir mi regalito por ser jugadora de la línea de la semana. Nos seguimos viendo.
I'm sick, and we found this at the house. It's not night, but it's the only thing we have right now, so we're gonna take it. It's cherry flavor, which I hate, so
You can do it. Relax. Yay! Hey, stop. Stop.
good job. Skål. Skål.
Okay, so me and Melina, we are kind of sick.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. We see Alox. How are you feeling? She's hiding from us. We're sorry, Alox. Sorry. De nada.
Yeah, we used to beat you up, huh? And then, like, we had her, maybe had her, are you filming me? We maybe had her for a week.
Yeah.
Because she chewed through our HVAC, our AC unit wire, and she tried to chew through our chest freezer wire, but she didn't make it all the way through that one because I think she got electrocuted. And she stopped.
She learned.
Half chewed. And thus, Phoebe the Destroyer was named, huh? Here's just a baby dummy.
Isn't that right, Phoebe? Phoebe.
You! Trousers! Rain wipers!
I love the trousers.
With my trousers! These are half trousers. Right? Not full trousers, half trousers. Right? A pedal strider? Also known as an elliptical?
You made that up, not me.
What? Who says who? Who are they gonna believe? You got 2 and I got 1? No, that was all you. Don't be crazy. I came in, did I shut the back door? I did. Bye!
Bye.